Hello and welcome to Shubham's Origami World. In this video, we will make this simple but beautiful origami peacock which utilizes dual colored paper, white from one side and colored from the other side. Here I have used a paper which is green and white so that the wings are green and body of the peacock is white. Let's get started. You will need a dual colored paper like this, white from one side and colored from the other side. Now I want to make the wings green, so I will put the colored side back and begin with this side up. Fold both of these edges to center line like this. Repeat on this side. Now again fold these edges towards this edge like this. So that it coincides the border of the edge. Repeat here. Now turn the model over and again bring these corners to the center line. Like this, and now repeat here. Like this. Again turn this model over and bring this point to the top. Like this point to the top, crease it. And now again bring a small portion of this paper down, leaving some part here like this. Now fold the model in half and very lightly we need to pull this pointed flap here like this. And now pinch the paper from sides. Okay. Now fold a little paper upward to give a crease, and now we need to make an outside reverse fold using these creases. Fold the paper up here and here like this. Do the same here to form an head. Outside reverse fold a little paper and pinch it from the sides. Like this. Okay, now wings are left, so we need to fold this flap using these 2 points downwards like this. Repeat this behind here. Fold this flap down. Alright. Now try to open like this. Can you see? We need to flat these flaps too, so fold here, pull the flap down like this, and from here to here fold the paper flat like this. Repeat there on the other side. The basic model is ready, but we can also make a few more fan folds to make the wings look more good. So we need to fold half every section like this. First here and then unfold. Repeat here. And then unfold. Use this flap to hold paper and fold it in half towards this edge like this. Unfold. You get a new crease. Repeat here at the upper portion. Can you see? Now we have more fan folds and the wings are looking better. Hold this flap, fold towards this side first, unfold, and then towards the other side like this. Here, fold this one first up and first and then down. Okay, the model is ready, and if you want you can fold a little bit of the top point down to make wings look more round. This is an easy origami peacock utilizing 2 colors. Thanks for watching.